Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, my friend, Mr. Faiz. Wishing you the happiest of birthday. You deserve the best day ever. From Turner.
Happy birthday! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! No, just kidding. Happy birthday, bestie. Um, we've been friends for more than 3 years, but so sad. I forgot how old you are now. Is it? Are you 30 now? Yeah, maybe you are 30. Anyways, um, enjoy your day and be happy, and please be safe as always, because you're always on the road. And here from the moderating team of Philippines on Global VR, we wish you all the best. Okay, be happy as always and be blessed. More girls to come, more girlfriends to break their heart. You guys, oh, happy birthday, boy. Bye bye.
Hi, good evening. Happy birthday to my dear friend, Mr. Pais. Happy 29th birthday to you. It's been 4 months when we become good friends. I treat you as my youngest brother. You give me too much respect, and I also do to you. You know that we are not talking too much because I know that you are so busy to your work, and also you give too much effort in the global VR as one of the admin. You know that you are one of my very good friends. uh, as an owner of Sweetie Universal Best Friend VR, and I am so much thankful for you become a part of this team, and I want to greet you a blessed and wonderful birthday. May you also find more good friends, and also the real love of your life, and stay healthy and kind always. And I'm always say to you, just always take care of yourself when you are in your work, because you are always driving on the road. And I always wish, by the grace of Allah, he will give you all the good desire of your heart. And as you told me before, it is good to find one good heart than 100 beautiful ladies. And by the way, once again, thank you for being as one of my good friends, and happy birthday to you. Bye.